Hey guys, in this how-to video we're going to be unboxing a Delfast Twin-tip fuel cell, how to do the right angle tip and quick load as well. Alright, if you're a first time user, please make sure you read the safety instructions. On this box we have a how-to for both tips, so we're going to just get right into it and open it up. Enclosed we find one quick load tip and one right angle tip. It also has the instructions on the back here. To load up your quick load tip, pop that piece off, put that on, one squeeze to test, that there is good to go. To take that off, I like to use a flathead screwdriver, just get in underneath it and just nicely, easily take it off. Now we have the right angle tip, it separates. Make sure it lines up in the hole and just pops on, and making sure that it squirts. There we have it. Awesome, new beauty. Now that I've got my right angle tip on, I've got my tool, I'm good to go. Cheers, thanks for watching, hope you found it helpful.